This is Sons and Daughters, inspired by the song by the Decemberists. We're going to play it in the key of C, so we'll be going back and forth on a steady beat between the C chord and the F chord. For the C chord, we can put our third finger on the third fret on the bottom string and strum all the way through. For the F chord, you can put your first finger on the first fret on the second string from the bottom. You could leave it here, or you could also add your second finger on the second fret on the top string, like that for your F. This one starts on C and goes back and forth from there.